Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the long time now, I've really wanted to stretch my ears. And I just waited for a really long time because everybody would be like, no, you're going to regret it. Don't do that, blah, 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 blah. Well, I'm 26 now and I feel like I can make decisions. And since I've still wanted to do it for so long, I said, I'm going to do it. So I went online and I bought a stretching kit, and it goes from 14 gauge all the way up to 00. Here's the 14 gauge. It comes in this little thing. I am going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol. While I waited for my thing to come in, I've been taking vitamin E oil and rubbing it on my earlobes every night, and rubbing it and kind of pulling and rubbing it. I'm not going to lie, I am like super nervous. This is like a really big decision, and I'm really excited, and I know I want to do it. There's like no doubt. It's just nervous. Okay, gonna let these sit for a few minutes. For this, I have my light on, but I am going to need to wear my glasses, and sorry, I was trying not to wear them because of the glare. So sorry about that. That's something we'll have to deal with. So my hands are clean. I washed them twice. I'm going to clean my ears as well. I think these have been in there. So this is sterile now. It is clean. Also, what I got to go with it is this Holy Butts.
Holy butts.
Oh, I thought I said Holy Butts. It's Holy Butter. My bad. It's like an all natural. It's good for stretching. I'm gonna take some of this. You guys are so nervous. Massage it in there all nice. I'm just going to rub it on. There it is, all nice and lubed up, ready to go in my ear. Hey. Here we go. Stretching is not supposed to hurt at all. So if it does hurt, if you feel resistance, it means to stop. Taking my time. And it's in. Yes, son. Oh my god. I mean, I know it's tiny, but it's like the first step to like a whole new thing in my life, something that I've always wanted to do, and always let people tell me, no, you shouldn't do it, blah, 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 and I'm really excited. Maybe I'm not explaining everything well that I'm doing, but whatever. So I'm going to leave this. Tapers are not meant to be used as jewelry. It can give you uneven weight distribution, which will stretch your ears unevenly, I guess. I don't know. I've done a lot of research. I'm just not great at explaining things, so we're going. And some people said that they left the tapers in for about 10 minutes just to give your ear an actual stretch. It does have a little bit of a tiny bit of a pinching sensation, but it's not supposed to be excruciating pain. It feels fine to me. It's not hurting. I mean, it's a little sore. It feels like when you first get your ears pierced. Pretty much is how it feels. Okay, let's see if I can do this one because it's really hard to... Oh, so excited, like, hell you. I'm going to get my tunnels, little baby tunnels. They're so cute. These are my tunnels that it came with. You can kind of see through them. Drop these in because I'm trying to get no infections in my ears. I'm trying to keep it clean, people. Keep it clean. Okay. Let's take this. I'm going to line it up. I got it in. It's so cute, you guys. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. It's so cute. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, okay. Oh, you know what? I put on a little bit of holy butter, aka holy butts if you're talking to me. Okay, let's do this. Oh my God, I'm so stoked. So and then it comes with these little suckers. Like, I mean, you can't see them because they're so small on this one. Like, little tiny things to put on the backs. Who got stretched ears? I got stretched ears. I'm super excited. Ooh. So that was me stretching my ears for the first time. But this is really just showing you guys my journey because I like to watch that kind of stuff. And so I thought maybe you would. I should have shown you the size. I mean, obviously these are the size. And my goal size, I'm gonna get to 00 and decide exactly how big I want to be. As of right now, it's not hurting. It feels like a little sore. This is the box that my plugs came in, by the way, or my stretching kit came in, and I didn't say it. It goes from, so I'll take off my glasses so the glare. The stretching kit goes from a 14 gauge all the way to a 00. It comes with the tapers. Like I said, that is not a piece of jewelry. It's just a stretching tool. It comes with a stainless steel tunnel, which is one of the best to stretch with. I heard glass is the best, but I couldn't really find like a kit of glass, so I just got this. And it also came with 2 sets of acrylic plugs, actual plugs, for each and every size. I picked white and black because I feel like those were the most versatile colors, and I don't really feel like I'm going to be changing them a lot because this is not what I want to be. I want to be a big size. So I'm taking my time though because I need to listen to my ears, let them heal all the way. It's just like when you pierce your ears, it feels like just like a piercing, so you need to take care of it just like a fresh piercing. So, and listen to your ears, you know. So that's that though. They're so cute. I can't stop saying that. I'm sorry. I just can't stop looking. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna walk around with everybody like, hey, you notice anything different? All dumb. But thanks guys for watching. I mean, I hope it was somewhat entertaining. Like I said, it's just, you know, me showing like my journey, like me stretching my ears, me being like super dumb and excited about my tiny little size. Ooh. But you know, anytime someone tells you you shouldn't do something, if it's something that you really want to do and you're of age and you're allowed to, you know, do what you want. Something like this, I mean, like piercings and stuff, you know, it's your life. You do what you want. You shouldn't just do things to make other people happy. And that's my big lesson that I'm taking from this. Now I'm doing it and I'm going to do it right so my ears can be taken care of and they can be nice pretty ears. So thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys around. Bye.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat.